you. हवा हूँ बसंती हवा हूँ, बड़ी बावली हूँ, बड़ी बेखबर हूँ, जिधर चाहती हूँ उधर घूमती हूँ, बड़ी ही निडर हूँ, मुसाफिर अजब हूँ, हवा हूँ बसंती हवा हूँ. Good evening, guests and fellow Toastmasters. These lines from Kedarnath Agarwal's Basanti Hawa succinctly epitomizes my life. For yes, I have been a vagabond, traveling here, there and everywhere. And it is traveling that truly is my first love. I was brought in this world by my parents, an engineer dad and a homemaker mom. And I was born in the Manchester of the East, Kanpur. Being younger to my sister, she is, as rightly said, my guide, philosopher and my conscience keeper. I did my schooling from the city of Nawabs, Lucknow. Went on to do my graduation from Pantnagar, a harbinger of Green Revolution. Of course, it is here that I met my then love interest, now my better half, my wife, whom I married in 2012. Went on to do MBA from Symbiosis, Pune, a nice city to go to. And currently I am working for a firm called as Kemin, which deals in animal nutrition. Well, to say for me personally that traveling is fun would be an understatement. In fact, to imagine life without traveling would be highly insipid. Right? I have been a traveler all my life. Be it traveling on a bike with my friend for a 428-kilometer stretch from Pune to Harihareshwar, covering in 28 hours, or traveling with my family in the foggy winters of the north to attend a wedding, or to a very recent trip to the troika of Bhubaneswar, Puri and Konark. Traveling has been phenomenal for me. Not only it has given me an umpteen number of memories to relish and refresh my mind all over, what it has given me is a channel to vent out my negative energy, to vent out my anger, which I hold. But most importantly, what traveling has taught me is its own subtle ways as to how you can learn various nuances in life. To quote an example, in 2005, I was the leader for the batch trip from Pantnagar to Haryana. Now, being the leader, there were certain things I had to take care of. For example, how many people are traveling? What are the arrangements for the stay, especially for the girls? What is the tour itinerary? What are the important contact numbers of the people? What is the total budget of the trip? What are the pooled expenses that needs to be shared? Lessons learned. A. Place your team before yourself, come what may. B. Crystal clear communication across the globe. And C. Most importantly, respect women and top-notch financial transparency. If I go back further in my memory, an example that elders can relate to, early 1990s, you had no mobile phones, right? And at those times when you were expected to receive guests at the railway station, trust me, it was not an easy job. Because you have no mobile phone to communicate. So what do? Well, what I did was, I divided this task into two parts. A. Knowing date of journey, train number, coach, seat number, and expected time of arrival. B. Reach the station early, buy the platform ticket, go to the inquiry counter, confirm which platform the train is coming on. Reach the platform, ask the coolie where the expected coach is about to arrive. Then be there for the rendezvous. Lessons learned, flawless data collection. B. Precise planning of the events to the last of the minutest details. And C. Immaculate execution of the plan. Trust me, ladies and gentlemen, all these qualities that I have shared with you has helped me to become what I am today. Successful both in my personal and professional life. And it is this traveling alone that has taught me to learn, to explore, to assimilate and to adopt various small yet significant variations that you observe across cultures, traditions and variations. The learning has been across people, ranging from the Punjabi Mundas of the north to the Ammas and Appas of the south, to the Marathi Manos of the West, and to our very own in the East, Bhadraloks. And the learning has been phenomenal, I'm telling you, trust me on that. But then yes, of course, all this traveling has come free of cost, right? I mean, lucky me, I'm getting a job to do which is my first love, traveling. How many people get that? I would like to know, to get something that you love to do. Having said that, traveling takes a toll on you. Get this straight right from the horse's mouth. There are no two thoughts about it. It hits you physically, emotionally, and mentally. And yes, there are times when I feel lost, when I am wondering what to do next, because this quench for travel and learn is unsatiable. It cannot be fulfilled, and for the rest of my life I would like to continue traveling. And when I come at these crossroads, it is these lines from Harivansh Rai Bachchan's Madhushala that helps me gather momentum. मदिरा ले चलने को घर से चलता है पीने वाला, किस पथ से चाहूंगा सुमंजस में है वो बोला भाला, अलग अलग पथ बतलाते सब पर मैं ये बतलाता हूँ, राह पकड़ तू एक चला चल पा जाइएगा मधुशाला। नमस्ते।